If you are considering granny flats in Queensland, do these 7 checks before choosing a floor plan or paying a deposit. First, define the intended use. Is the building for a family member, rental income, guests, an office or future flexibility? This determines the bedrooms, bathroom arrangement, storage, privacy and budget. Second, check the available site area. Note the proposed position, slope, retaining walls, trees, easements and existing structures. A design must work on the property, not only look good online. Third, review access. For a modular granny flat, consider the driveway width, gates, corners, overhead wires, trees and possible crane position. Delivery access can affect the model and the final cost. Fourth, locate the services. Find out what is known about power, water, sewer or septic, drainage and stormwater. Long or difficult connections can change the project budget. Fifth, investigate the approval pathway. Queensland rules provide the general framework, but the property details and local requirements still matter. Confirm what advice, drawings and reports are likely to be needed. Sixth, prepare a complete budget. Allow for more than the manufactured building. The project may also include approvals, reports, engineering, foundations, site works, delivery, installation, connections, stairs, decks and contingency. Seventh, compare written responsibilities. Confirm what the manufacturer supplies, what the installer completes, and what the property owner must arrange with licensed trades and other professionals. These checks give you a much stronger starting point. You can then compare granny flat models and quotes against the real property, purpose and budget. Visit Granny Flats for you for Queensland models, planning guides and quote support. The link is in the description.